Hey guys, so today we'll be learning C++. I will be using C++ because it's completely free and you can use on Mac, Linux, or Windows. Unlike some of those IDEs or integrated development environments. So after you've downloaded it, which the link will be in the description, you just press create a new project after you've downloaded it. Console application, go. Now make sure it's on C++, then press next. Call it whatever you want to. I'll call it C1. Sure. And do not change anything, just immediately press that, okay? And so press on the cross on beside sources. Double click on main.cpp. Should have this if you selected console application. Include pretty much means, okay, find the files for whatever it is. You can put anything that you have, that your computer has a files for. So this is pretty much, and using namespace std. If you want to refer to namespace, just write std. Cout, output. Make sure that it is smaller than signs, then write whatever text you want in here. You do not need endl, but it is recommended. You can do backslash n in place of endl too. It has to be a backslash too. So, pretty much, the next line of code you write will go on the next line instead of on the same line. Okay, so there, return 0. You'll learn it later. You'll learn it in one of my other videos later. Just all you need to know right now is that you can pretty much return the value. I can put any number in there, but I'm going to keep it at 0. Make sure that there's a semicolon and int main. I forgot. This is the most important. Integer. I don't know why it's like that, but it is. So pretty much this is where we'll be writing all of our code in this video. Most of the code in C++ goes into int main or int void. Or void only, I don't know. But some don't have to be inside one of them. Make sure that there's a semicolon. Semicolons go on pretty much at almost every single one of these C++ lines. It's pretty much telling C++. Okay, next line. That's the end of that. That's the end of that line of code. Next line. Okay. So there's a quick explanation of cout. Now we're gonna do variables. Variables. 4 types. Int, integer for only numbers. String for only letters, and float for decimal numbers and sometimes required for not text-based but more graphical interfaces, I believe, and bool. Only 2 values of bool, true and false. So we'll be writing string. I'm gonna call him. This is a name. I would call it Bob. Make sure that there's only one equal sign because that's what we're assigning. We don't have to assign it immediately, so we'll actually do that. And something extra for you to know for now is that I think const locks changing the variable. So if we write Bob equals hi, for example, I don't know, whatever, it pretty much doesn't let it be changed in later strings. No, later lines of code. So that's something extra for you to know. String Bob, we don't have to assign it immediately. Now user input. So here we go. User input. Cin, greater than sign. We'll put Bob. There, that's Cin. Make sure that there's a semicolon behind all the lines of code here. Now build and run. hello world. I can write hi, for example. User input, cin. IO3 means input output. Simple. Okay, so now that I gave a quick explanation of of output, input, and variables. Also, make sure that there are squigglies um for int main, and all of your lines of code should be inside the squigglies, or else C++ will say no, and you have to put it inside. Okay, there's the simple stuff. So next, we'll move on. If statements. Very handy. Very, very handy. So if parentheses. Now next we will do Bob equals. That's for checking if something is true, if a condition is true. And if Bob is alive, no, if Bob has his house, just house. If Bob is a house, Bob underscore house, Bob equals Bob's living. There, just Bob's living there is equal to a house, then squigglies will put CL, some greater than signs again. Bob lives in a house. Simple. \n. And L is very useful. And \n and end-L are the same thing. Pretty much on the next line of code, the next text you write will go on the next line of code if you write \n or end-L. Simple explanation. Semicolon. There. Now run. Build and run. And also do not forget about putting these double quotations in. Put whatever text you're going to put inside the double quotations. Now rerun it. And sometimes, usually I find that you have to write std. Okay. What do you mean? This is... What am I doing wrong right now? I'm a bit confused. Yeah, Bob. Isn't that right? Am I being dumb? Yeah. Got confused, I think. Bob was not the oh my god. You guys are probably screaming at your screen while I couldn't find out. Build and run. And we got it running. We'll write house. Also, I spelled it wrong. House. Bob lives in a house. There we go. And you can occasionally you can do this, which I find is very useful. We'll put what type of house? No. Living space does Bob have? There. and now we will have to put one of those. Also, I put it the wrong way. So if I run it, it should. I clicked the wrong button. We won't be clicking, but we have to click build then run if we don't click build and run. Looks like the play button, the green play button with the, what do you call them? Oh yeah, gear. So we click build and run. Once again, I find that it gets very annoying when it doesn't work. And probably just do one of those. Let's see what it does. Yep. Okay. So as you can tell, it didn't work that time. We'll do C out then. There. Now we'll just control C. There. Now what kind of living? What kind of living space does Bob have? There. And build and run. It works. Oh, well, maybe I should actually. Hi. Doesn't. Hello World doesn't fit the theme right now. Hi. What kind of. I'll just put. House. Bob lives in a house. And you can, like, copy. You can pretty much use else. So else is like. Else. There. I don't see sometimes this is a bit confusing to do with else, but you can search it up on Google and you can find out how to properly write else, because I don't really remember it. It's been quite some time since I first saw it, and you can just write whatever you want with else how it is, but that, so we'll just do control C and there, and we can put apartment. Bob lives in a apartment. There. Now build and run. I find that this is more useful than else, because else is pretty much like if it specifically isn't what you wrote in the if statement, execute this code. We'll write apartment. Bob lives in an apartment. So yeah, that's the basics. And so guys, like and subscribe and share this with people that also want to learn how to learn the basics of C++. And if they like it, tell them to subscribe. So guys, that'll be the end of the video, and I'll see you guys later.